Welcome students. So today we'll see how to insert more slides or how to insert blank slides in PowerPoint 2019. So without wasting time, we start Microsoft PowerPoint 2019. Click on blank presentation. So by default we get one slide with a title and a subtitle. Okay, so first thing I want to clear these options. So I want to make a blank slide. So how do I make a blank slide? Click on layout and click on blank. So your slide becomes blank. Okay, so now say suppose I want to put a color for this slide. How do I put a color for this slide? Okay, so right click on this slide and click format background. What? Right click on this slide and click format background. The moment you click on format background, there are many options over here. Solid color, gradient fill, picture or texture fill, or pattern fill. Okay, so we'll see in the solid fill what it is in the solid fill. Click on solid color. Solid colors are single colors. Okay, and by default it is white. Look at the cursor where I am clicking. Okay, by default the color is white. Say suppose I want to click and change the color. I select red color. Can you see the color changes on the slide? Yes. And what is the transparency? Transparency, you can make the red color lighter. Okay, see, at present it is 0%. I'm moving it, see, 100% it becomes white. Okay, so I make it darker. Okay, this is called as solid color. Now we'll see what is the gradient fill. So before I go to gradient fill, definitely I have to create a new slide. How to create a new slide? Right click on this slide, okay, and say new slide. Okay, and your slide will be a blank slide. Now we'll see what is the gradient fill. Click on gradient fill. What are gradient fill? Gradient fill are multiple colors. By default there are 4 colors. You can see over here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these are 4 colors. So suppose I want to change the color. Click on the first color. Okay, and select the color whatever you want. Say suppose I want a green color. Then second color. Click on the second color. Say suppose I want yellow color. You can move this bar. Okay, see how I'm moving it. See how the color is moving on the slide. You can move it. See suppose I want the third color. See suppose I want to take a dark blue color. See, you can move this color. See suppose I want it top, I can move it on top. Okay, and say suppose I want this fourth color, red color. See the color. So these are called as gradient color. Same way transparency, you can make it lighter, or if you want you can change the color. Okay, every color there is a transparency option. Select the blue color and I can change the transparency of the blue color. Understood? Brightness. Okay, now again I want to create a new slide. Right click, new slide. Then we see picture texture fill. Click on picture texture fill. By default we get these textures over here. See suppose I want this texture. I select. I want to use transparency. I select transparency. If I want to make it dark, see. Okay, this is called a transparency effect. And see suppose I want to insert picture. Again make a right click, make a new slide. Right click, new slide. Okay, go to picture. So I'm not using picture texture now. I'm using, this is a texture. Okay, these are the texture. I'm not using picture texture, I'm using picture. Insert from a file. I select desktop. I select SFX school. I say insert. Okay, transparency is 91. I can remove the transparency, make it 0. Can you see? Okay, this is called as transparency. Okay, and then we have pattern fill. Okay, what is pattern fill? Again I click, right click, new slide, and I click on pattern fill. You can select whatever pattern you want and you can change the color. Say suppose I want red, green color, and I want yellow color. Okay. See, you can change the pattern colors also. And say suppose I want to select or I want to make a duplicate slide. How do I make a duplicate slide? Right click and say duplicate slide. Right click on the slide and make duplicate. Say suppose this 6th slide I want to make it on first. I want to take it on the top. So click on the slide and take it on top. Drag it. See how you can drag it. Just move it on top. Understood how to move the slide? Click the slide. Say suppose I want to bring it down. Bring it down. See, you can move the slides. Say suppose I want to delete this 4th slide. You can right click and say delete slide. The slide is gone. So understood? Students, so what we have learned today? How to create a blank slide, how to create a duplicate slide, how to delete slide, okay? How to use colors in the slide, that is solid color, gradient fill, picture or a texture fill, and a pattern fill. So I request all the students kindly practice whatever we have done today. Okay, so thank you students. That's it in this